What's going on, everyone? Might go back with another box break. Guys, it's been a long week, but I wanted to bust this box of Panini Contenders 2014. You guys watch my videos. You saw I did a couple boxes of the retail and wanted to give a hobby a shot, so I picked up one box, 24 packs per box, 5 cards a pack. Get a number of autos and stuff like that. So we'll see how we do here today, guys. I appreciate you guys joining me. Check out my other videos. Subscribe to the channel. And comment below. Let me know what you think of this video and this product. I'm a big Panini Contenders fan. Not a huge Panini fan overall, but I do like the Contenders product. And so I decided I would bust a box of it. So we'll see how we do, because my one problem with football products is the number of rookie autographs that are involved in it, and not necessarily that it's all just rookies. I mean, that does get a little tiresome, even the better players. The number of garbage rookies, I mean, guys that, like, you know, have no shot. Taj Boyd barely deserves a base card in a set. I know there's people out there who like Taj Boyd, but I mean, we don't need an autograph card of him in every set, especially in the Jets uniform. I mean, come on. So here we go. If I do get any sort of redemptions, I will make sure I redeem them before someone swipes it. So we're going to give this box of Contenders a try. 24 packs. Put them off to the side just to help things focus better. And we'll start with pack 1. And we start off with Colin Kaepernick. Obviously, it's been a crazy start to the NFL offseason. We'll see how many of these guys are even still on the right team. Vernon Davis, Greg Jennings, Jake Locker, who's now retired, a Mike Evans Rookie of the Year Contenders insert. 1 pack down, 23 to go. Deshaun Jackson. Focus is a little rough. Get these base cards out of the way. Toss the insert. There we go. Hopefully this will clear things up a little bit. There we go. Deshaun Jackson. Arian Foster. Le'Veon Bell. Marquise Golston. DeMarco Murray, Cowboys MVP Contenders. No longer a Dallas Cowboy. Now a Philadelphia Eagle. No Eagles fan is going to really much want him in a Cowboys uniform, but I guess it's just continuing the craziest NFL offseason I can remember. I mean, it's just been insane. Patriots haven't really done anything too exciting to this point. They have, of course, lost a number of players, including Mr. Darrelle Revis. Anyway, this pack: Tavion Austin, Tom Brady, Steve Smith Sr., Maurice Jones-Drew, who I believe also retired, a Johnny Manziel draft class card. So we'll see if he gets his act together. Probably not, but we'll see. Moving on, Matthew Stafford, Aaron Rodgers, Eric Decker, Julio Jones, and a valued collector. A Brandon Cooks rookie playoff ticket RPS variation. So I have to scratch off and redeem online at PaniniAmerica.net. So redemption. So that's interesting. And I like that there's not just a code there that some bastard can steal. Brandon Cooks, he's a nice little player. So, not bad. I guess he'll get a little more playing time now that the Saints have traded Kenny Stills and Mr. Jimmy Graham, which shocked the living hell out of me. Alright, next pack. Ruben Randall. Mike Wallace also traded today. Nate Washington. Andre Johnson on the wrong team. And Panini Contenders touchdown tandems. Phillip Rivers, Antonio Gates. That's a nice card if you're a Charger fan. Next up, Trent Richardson, who was cut. Malcolm Floyd. Marshawn Lynch. Jimmy Graham traded. Torrey Smith, who I believe signed somewhere. I guess he signed with the 49ers, I think. Like I said, guys, usually I'm on top of all the sports news as it happens, and this week's been a little different. Can't really be on my phone all day working, so it's been interesting. Alright, next up, Matt Forte, Frank Gore, who's not on the right team, Chad Henne, Nick Foles, who's not on the right team. This is crazy. That was a nice one, nice insert. Round numbers, Blake Bortles and Johnny Manziel. It's a really nice one, actually. By the way, I'm assuming if anyone knows different, I don't know, these kid reporting cards, I'm assuming are worthless because I've been firing them in the trash along with the wrappers. So next up here, Matt Ryan, Reggie Wayne, Ryan Matthews on the wrong team, Doug Martin, and we've got an auto, and it's Allen Robinson of the Jaguars. So that's a nice card. Autograph number 2. Take a page out of some of your guys' book and just toss this right into a sleeve. So Allen Robinson, auto. And as always, guys, I know I didn't mention it, everything you see in this break is available for trade or sale. Just PM me or whatever with an offer, and we'll work something out. Everything's for sale. I prefer sale because I run on enough time to be running around trying to trade stuff. But if the right deal comes along and there's some interesting Patriots or Phillies stuff or something, I'll definitely consider it. But selling is the preferred way. Tony Romo, Dwayne Bowe, who's not a Chief, Adrian Peterson, who may not be a Viking, Cordell Patterson, and another auto, and it's Arthur Lynch, who, gonna be honest, guys, know nothing about. Tight end for the Dolphins. That's a numbered one. Numbered to 199, I guess. These are all... I didn't even realize the Allen Robinson's numbered to 99, so that's neat. So that's autograph number 3. I believe that Brandon Cooks was an auto, right? I assume so. I think all the rookies are autos in this product. So, if there's any Arthur Lynch fans out there, let me know. Hopefully, step it up. Alright, not quite halfway through this box yet. We got Josh McCown, Sean Green, J.J. Watt, Ben Roethlisberger, who just re-signed, and a Legendary Contenders. So that's a nice one. Mr. Frank Gifford. Nice insert there. Nice to see an insert that's not, just rookies too. I mean, rookie cards are neat and all, but there's a lot more to the NFL. Alright, continue to roll along. Demaryius Thomas, E.J. Manuel, Brandon Marshall, Mark Ingram, and Robert Griffin, number 3. And this pack will officially put us at the halfway point. Jay Cutler, Matt Schaub, Cam Newton, Chris Ivory, and Trent Murphy. Trent Murphy auto. So, I guess he was a second round pick. Didn't even remember that. So that's 4 autos already. I guess they were on the left side of the box. I'm 10 minutes into the video for halfway, so it's going to take 20. Try and bust through the second half pretty quick. Andre Ellington, Brian Hoyer, Cecil Shorts 3, LaShawn McCoy, not an Eagle, DeMarco Murray, not a Cowboy. Interesting. Yeah, see, this is the problem with a box of this stuff. I mean, since it's not cheap and all, I mean, if you don't hit some big rookie auto, you're kind of in trouble. Mike Williams, Andy Dalton, Antonio Brown, Russell Wilson, and a Kelvin Benjamin Rookie of the Year contenders. Alshon Jeffrey, Geno Smith, Drew Brees, Joe Flacco, Stephen Ridley, who soon will not be a Patriot. But it's still a nice card. He did contribute to this season, even if it was only through the first half. He'd probably be a nice bargain for someone who needs a running back, because the guy's got some talent, and he's not going to command much. So next up, Roddy White, Jason Witten, Eddie Lacy, Mercedes Lewis, Teddy Bridgewater draft class. Alright, next up, Jamal Charles, Jeremy Maclin, who's no longer an Eagle, Dez Bryant, Phillip Rivers, and 150 points. Guess what? It's getting redeemed shortly, so don't bother trying, pal. So I guess that would lead to another autograph, another possible autograph for me, so that's cool. Alright, next pack, Larry Fitzgerald, Julius Thomas, who's now a Jacksonville Jaguar, Richard Sherman, Alfred Morris, touchdown tandems, Joey Flacco, Steve Smith Sr. CJ Spiller, who is no longer a Bill, Giovanni Bernard, Zach Stacy, Rob Gronkowski, sweet card for the PC, Golden Tate, Alright, next up, Andrew Luck, Carson Palmer, Steve Smith Sr., Maurice Jones-Drew, and round numbers, Jadavon Clowney and D. Ford. Looks like 4 packs to go. Ben Tate, I'm not sure why Ben Tate got made. He was on like 3 teams this year. Monty Ball, Aaron Rodgers, Eric Decker, Julio Jones, and another Kids Reporter card that's going in the trash. Alright, 1, 2, 3 left. Second half of this box break, as you guys noticed, it's been a lot quicker. Probably should have been that way from the beginning. Anyway, AJ Green, Greg Olson, Nate Washington, Andre Johnson, and Kevin Norwood, numbered to 199 auto. There we go. Focused up. So, yeah, Kevin Norwood. Can't say I'm all that familiar with him, which is, you know, like I said, it'd be nice to hit a nice one in here. A nice big-time rookie, but, you know, you do what you do. You gamble with it. You take a shot. And sometimes you just get a bunch of, like, $5 autographs. I'm not sure what these ones go for. I haven't looked them up. Damn it. There we go. Alright, guys. Last 2 packs. We'll see if any chance there's anything interesting. Reggie Bush, who is not a Lion. Victor Cruz, Marshawn Lynch, Jimmy Graham again, Torrey Smith. And the final pack. Brian Hartline, who signed with, I believe, the Cleveland Browns. Alex Smith. Danny Amendola. Nice one for the PC. Jordy Nelson. And Bishop Sankey. Rookie of the Year contenders. Parallel. Gold numbered to 199. So that's nice. Would have been nice if he played well this year, but, you know, you can't have everything. Alright, so just a quick recap. Not exactly the greatest box of all time, but it's a nice product. I enjoy ripping it, like the base cards. Couple inserts. If you guys have any interest, let me know. Gold parallel, Bishop Sankey. 150 points that I am going to redeem as soon as I shut this video off. And some autos. Brandon Cooks redemption. Kevin Norwood, numbered to 199. Trent Murphy. Arthur Lynch, numbered to 199. And Allen Robinson, numbered to 99. So, alright guys. Thanks for watching. And I'll talk to you next time. Have a great one.